this is the planet Earth here, and it's 12:44 a.m. It is September 10th, 2018, and let's just go ahead and look at the hurricane. So the Florence is going to be hitting North Carolina, it seems. If you are anywhere in North Carolina, Havelock, Wilmington, Kitty Hawk, and up to Virginia Beach, Tolls, I don't know how to say that, Tools, Swanquarter, Belhaven, Aurora, and Oriental. You guys need to be careful because there's a Category 2 or 3 hurricane going to be hitting. And it's going to be pretty interesting to see what happens here. Yeah, it's going to be a Category 1 at least. It's supposed to hit around, a little bit stronger than a Cat 1. Yeah, we're going to have about 80 to 90 mile an hour winds, so that'll be like a Cat 1. Closer to a Cat 2, and it looks like it's going to hit. It looks like Wilmington, North Carolina. Or maybe even Virginia. But the winds should be pretty interesting around the area, especially as that storm moves north. So it's going to get windy all around here. This one says it's going to go into Virginia. Central Virginia, and flood the heck out of it, probably. Let's see, 15, 16, and then 17. And then the GFS, we'll switch it over to the GFS. The GFS says it's going to be a pretty big storm. Looks like this one's going to be about a Category 1. This one says it's still a tropical storm. No, it's going to be a hurricane practically, Category 1. But I think it's going to be a lot stronger than that. It'll update as the hurricane gets stronger. Now we're looking at about a Category 1, just a very strong tropical storm. We're not including the wind gust either. It's going to be at least a Category 1. And according to this one, it should make landfall by the morning of the 14th. So it's going to be a really windy storm. If you guys are near Havelock, Wilmington, Kitty Hawk, Virginia Beach, be on the lookout for very strong rip tides at first, and then it's going to get to the point where it's going to be a very, an onshore flow here. The wind is going to push the water and do coastal flooding. So from Myrtle Beach to, I would say, all the way up to Delaware, and it looks like through Maryland and Virginia Beach need to watch out. And then usually these storms make a northern turn, so I don't know if New York and New Jersey is going to get hit by at least 50 to 60 mile an hour winds. We don't know yet. This one looks like it's going to be a direct path with North Carolina. They're both saying it now. Looks like it's going to get stuck there, it's saying, and then actually back out for some reason, and then go opposite way, but I don't know about that. It's saying this is actually going to hit North Carolina and then reverse and then leave. I've never heard of anything like that. But alright, thank you guys for watching. Expect a landfall either in North Carolina or South Carolina, but maybe somewhere in between. So if you are living in North Carolina or South Carolina, get ready for the hurricane.